Hey guys, and this is Eric RPG once again, and when we last left off we found location of the Snatcher base after a series of events that led to this discovery, and we are headed there. Hopefully we can take care of this. Oh, whoops. I kind of forgot that. Queen's Hospital. I'm thinking maybe I should turn the volume down just a smidge. Sounds good to me. Queens? Well, I don't know why the queue didn't show up there before, but whatever. Oh, I should probably save. Yes, it's okay to overwrite. Well, I guess if you were far away enough, you couldn't see. Oh, and the queue did disappear for a while. Well, let's go inside. Inside the hospital. Alright. Look at area. Investigate the doors. And the reception desk. Monitor's been switched off. Dust everywhere. All of them are closed. There's no point. Door control. 1, 2, 3. Use the switches. I'm gonna move into door 1. Well, we could check out the other doors, but door 3 is the one we really want to go into. The lens is clouded over. Monitor shut off. It's completely dark in this room almost. I think room 2 is almost the exact same room. Nope, it's red. I almost forgot. I forgot to rename this video before I started recording, so I'm gonna have to fix that, aren't I? So expensive monitors. Specimens of what? So everything's run down in here, apparently. Door 3. Totally dark. Alright. It's a vase. Not Islamic. It looks Russian.
There seems to be a scrap of paper caught between these two drawers. The others are empty. It appears that someone tried to straighten up in a hurry.
Uh-oh.
Let me see that paper.
Here it is.
What? What is this? It looks like Chinese or something. Metal translated.
Okay, let's see. Patient record, first examination. I'm not familiar with the next 5 characters. It's the first time I've ever seen any of them.
I thought you were supposed to be really good at Chinese.
My strongest areas are in chop suey, egg foo young, and wontons.
Jeez.
Rare Chinese characters.
Joe.
Or maybe some kind of code? At any rate, this is definitely part of someone's chart. If we can figure out these characters, we may be able to uncover another Snatcher.
What do you suppose happened to the other records?
Looks like someone cleaned them out of here. Maybe they knew we were coming.
Somehow I get the feeling that the Snatchers know what we're up to. I'll store the fragment of the file.
Well, interesting. $50 old. St. Basil. Moscow. Matches. Outer Heaven. Well, there's nothing else we can do here. Well, I know someone who's Chinese. Let's give them a call. Huh. I guess we have to leave the area.
The number you have reached is not in service at this time. Please check the number and dial again. This
That
is
kind
a
of looks like the
recording.
MGM logo.
AT&T Neo Kobe.
Yeah, if in case you didn't get it, the doorman was Napoleon. So let's go to outer heaven. Come on. Alright. Give proof, sneeze.
Have a seat, Gillian. We're safer in a crowded place like this.
Jeez, you really had me fooled. 2 rolls in 1.
Gesundheit.
Well, you know, you gotta understand. Being an informer isn't exactly the safest job on the planet, you know. That's why it's important to be a master of disguise, like me.
Yeah, but I feel pretty stupid. I mean, all that time I was asking you about where Jean went, I didn't realize I was asking someone who actually worked there.
Hey, I was just as surprised as you were. But I didn't know that Gibson had been here. You see, I wasn't working that day.
Anyhow, it's not masquerade night today. Why don't you take that mask off, Napoleon? It's a little unnerving sitting here talking to a wolf.
All right. I suppose there's no harm there. Boy, you really work up a sweat in these full-face masks.
Oh, boy. Maybe you should have left that on.
What? Still, you did a nice job of figuring out who I was.
Come on, Napoleon. That stupid phone recording with the Wolfman? JT&T would never do anything that tasteless. Besides, what really tipped me off was that constant sneezing of yours.
Sneezes, eh? Well, listen, you want me to tell you why I'm called Napoleon?
Because winter gets the best of you. Napoleon Bonaparte sent his enormous army into Russia in 1812, but suffered a major defeat because of the snow.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, this sneezing isn't a cold. It's my allergy to Snow 9 pollen. So, anyhow, what did you want to know?
I've got a couple of questions to ask you.
Fire away.
Ask about your background. I gotta show you this patient record. Chemical elements. Meaning of code. Beryllium. Next one, a vast one, or nitrogen. That one stands for sulfur. Fourth is for oxygen. Sounds like it's a compound of all these elements. Infer. See, we're supposed to take all of those characters, well, all the first letter of each of those characters in English, and then type it out. Well, with the E's case, I think it's just to fill in space.
So that's it. Benson. Beryllium is Be, nitrogen is N, sulfur is S, and oxygen is O. And another N makes Benson. The name Benson was encoded on this file.
Benson. I sure hope it is not referring to the chief, Benson Cunningham.
Or to our friendly engineer, Mr. Harry Benson.
Uh-oh.
No, that couldn't be. No way.
But the possibility, though remote, does exist.
Metal, I want you to cut off all your data transmissions to headquarters now.
Understood. Now disabling automatic transmission routines. Done. No further data transmissions to headquarters will be executed.
My God, a Snatcher in Junker headquarters? We've got to get there quick. Let's go, Metal.
See you later, Junker. Today's little information tidbit is on me. Now take care, Gillian. Don't get yourself taken out by some Snatcher. I think I'll lay low for a while. You know, after all, you are my main source of income.
You be careful too, Napoleon. You get killed and you won't be able to sneeze anymore.
What's that supposed to mean?
See you, Napoleon. Metal, let's go.
Going straight to Junker HQ. Ah, they're out, huh? Gee, that sounds suspicious. That'd be a perfect opportunity to snatch the world's leaders. Well, let's look for Harry. Maybe he's back. Although I think there's only one entrance to this place. Alright. Box of matches. Look at the matches. Why would he have those? Face to face. Well, that's probably why I need matches. Yep. Alright. Looking to go. Let's go to the chief's office now. Gotta look at the picture. Yep, see? You could have probably noticed that if you were paying attention to here the first time we were in here. Or even the second time. Face to face. Uh-oh. Pick your old picture. Red Square in Moscow. Well, let's go back to that hospital. Well, there's a graphical glitch.
Gillian, it's me, Jamie. Listen carefully. You know that Queen's Hospital? I found out that they undertook a major expansion project in 2035 to put in a basement. That's right, they have a basement. Basement construction is really unusual here in Kobe. That's why there are still records of it. But there's more. The director of that hospital, Chin Shu-ho, has had his license suspended in the past for performing eugenics experiments at an illicit underground facility.
Are you telling me Queens has underground treatment facilities?
That has to be it, Gillian. Chin Shu-ho is performing skin operations on Snatchers underground.
And that means that Chin himself is also probably a Snatcher. Or rather, the real Chin, the original Chin, was snatched.
So, that entire ground-level complex is just a front for the underground facilities.
And if we hit that hospital, we can ruin the Snatcher's plans. Well, this is it, Metal. We're heading right into the enemy's headquarters this time.
Gillian,
Yeah?
this sounds really dangerous. I just wanted you to know I want you to come home safe.
Jamie.
The reason I left you is because I thought you were pushing yourself too hard, being self-destructive. And it seemed like the wedding ring you were wearing when they found us had become a tremendous burden on you. I didn't want that to be the only reason we stayed together.
Oh, Jamie, I never felt that way at all.
I'll be waiting for you. We may not have our memories, but you are the only one I've ever shared any time with. Be careful, Gillian.
Jamie.
Are you all right, Gillian?
Yeah. All right, Metal, let's go. We have to pay a visit to Queen's Hospital. Her Majesty is waiting.
Queen's Hospital time. Something's not right.
Just where do you think you're going?
This is most unusual. The turbo cycle seems to be out of control.
Switch over to manual. I'll take over.
Understood. I've switched to manual control. Well, how is it?
What the? We've got no brakes! Metal, check the brake system out. Pronto!
Sorry, Gillian. Looks like sabotage. No doubt the Snatcher's handiwork.
Sabotage? But the only one who could work on the turbo cycle?
Worry about that later. Gillian, we've got to do something quickly.
Pull emergency lever. Oh crap. Drive into sand pile.
Looks like we're gonna have a break.
Hit Cliff. I don't know, really. Afterburner? Oh great, we're going faster. Yeah, I'm an atheist, but I'm gonna do this anyway. Hit control panel.
Damn! What else can we do? Metal, start punching buttons.
Any buttons at all?
Yes! Yes! Push anything!
Gillian, this doesn't seem to be doing any good.
Damn! I was sure that would work.
Gillian, the road makes a sharp right turn just 1,500 meters ahead. At this speed, we'll never make it. Gillian! Gillian! reach the curb?
Gillian, jump! I can't! My timing's off!
150 meters?
Gillian, now!
70 meters?
Now, Gillian, now!
Oh, we're too late!
Jump at the last minute.
Gillian! I guess he didn't make it. Don't bury me so fast. I'm right here. Don't you even know how to ride a motorcycle?
Gillian, it's not much farther to Queen's Hospital, and you could probably use the exercise anyway. Why don't we just continue the rest of the way like this?
How's that exercise?
We've arrived at Queen's Hospital.
So, this is the place, huh?
Random, are you sure you know what you're doing? This isn't going to be a field trip, you know. We may not come back.
Well, the bounty for this one will more than make up for it.
If you're around to spend it, that is.
Gillian, let's get going.
Well, this would be a good time to stop the video. See you guys later when we finally, hopefully, take care of this thing. So, see you guys then. Bye-bye.